You work hard. You save when you can. But somehow your bank account never grows. Today, you're going to learn the invisible money trap that's keeping you broke and the exact 3 moves to escape it. Meet Sarah. She makes $48,000 a year, solid income. Not rich, not poor. Every month she does the same thing. Paycheck hits, bills come out. Rent, electric, phone, car payment, insurance, groceries, gas. By the 15th, her checking account looks healthy. By the 30th, it's anemic again. She's not buying designer bags. No fancy vacations. Just living. Yet she's stuck. Her savings account has $800. It's had $800 for 2 years. One day, her co-worker, Jake, mentions he just put $5,000 into something called an index fund. Sarah blinks. $5,000? Jake makes less than she does. She saw his car. It's older than hers. How? She goes home that night, checks her bank statements, 6 months of transactions, and then she sees it. The pattern. Dozens of small charges, streaming services she forgot about, convenience store stops, DoorDash twice a week because she's tired, coffee every morning because the office stuff tastes like sadness. Each charge? Small. Total damage? Massive. But here's the thing. Even if she stopped all of it, she'd still be stuck. Because Sarah is making the same mistake 99% of people make. She thinks the problem is spending. It's not. The real problem is the order. Sarah pays everyone else first. Landlord first. Electric company first. Netflix first. Herself? Last. If there's anything left over, she'll save it. Spoiler. There's never anything left over. This is called paying yourself last. And it's financial quicksand. You can't build wealth by accident. You can't save the leftovers and expect to get rich. Here's what Jake does differently. The day his paycheck hits, he moves money. Immediately. Before rent. Before anything. 10% straight to savings. Another 10% to investments. He never sees that money in his checking account. So his brain never gets to spend it. He pays himself first, then he pays everyone else, and here's the magic. His lifestyle adjusts. He still pays rent, still eats, still lives, but he lives on 90% instead of 100. And that missing 20%, think of it like this. Imagine every dollar is a worker. Most people send all their workers to someone else's construction site. They're building their landlord's wealth, their bank's wealth, Amazon's wealth, Uber's wealth. 0 workers are building their own house. Pay yourself first means you keep some workers home. They build for you. Everyone else gets what's left. Now you're thinking, yeah, but I can barely afford my bills now. If I pay myself first, I'll overdraft. Fair. But here's the thing. You won't. Because of a psychological trick called Parkinson's Law, expenses expand to fill available income. Your brain is incredible at justifying whatever's in the account. So when you remove money first, your brain just recalibrates. You skip the DoorDash. You brew coffee at home. Not because you're trying to, because the money isn't there to spend. And here's the part most people miss. Paying yourself first isn't about the amount, it's about the habit. Sarah could start with 5%, even 3%, because once it's automatic, it's invisible. And invisible money grows. Visible money evaporates. Every single month, you're choosing between future you and current you. Most people choose current you. Because current you is loud. Current you wants the latte. Future you is quiet. Future you can wait. Until suddenly future you is current you. And current you is 65. With no savings. Wishing past you had listened. Here's your playbook. 3 steps. Do them this week. Step 1. Open your banking app right now. Set up an automatic transfer every payday. Move 10% to a separate savings account. If 10 feels impossible, start with 5. Start with 3. Just start. Make it automatic. Make it immediate. Make it invisible. The day your paycheck hits the money, moves before you think about it. Sarah did this. First month felt tight. Second month felt normal. By month 6, she forgot the money was even moving. That's the point. Step 2. After 30 days, check that separate account. Do not touch the money. Just look at it. You'll see a number bigger than $800. Maybe it's $900. Maybe $1,000. That number is proof. Proof you can do this. Proof the system works. Proof you're not broken. Now increase the transfer by 2%. Keep increasing every 60 days until you hit 20%. Most people can get to 20% within a year without feeling pain, because the adjustments are gradual. The brain doesn't panic. Step 3. Once you hit 3 months of expenses, saved about 12 grand for Sarah switchgears. Keep saving 10% for emergencies. Take the other 10% and open a brokerage account. Fidelity, Vanguard, Schwab. Doesn't matter. Buy a total market index fund. It's a basket of 5,000 companies. You're not picking stocks. You're buying the entire economy. Set it and forget it. Add money every month. In 30 years, that 10% becomes $1 million. Sarah's doing this now. She's 6 months in. She has 4,000 saved. Her lifestyle hasn't collapsed. She still goes out, still lives. But future Sarah is getting fed too. For the first time in her life. You stay broke not because you don't earn enough, but because you pay everyone else before you pay you. Fix the order. Automate the system. Feed future you first. If this just clicked, hit subscribe, because next week we're breaking down the real reason your credit score is lying to you and costing you thousands.